Hey YouTube.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Today we are doing the BOOZLED jelly beans challenge. And we got this from the Grove LA at Dylan's Canteen Bar. And well, we're gonna see what reactions we get. So yeah.
Because we're bored. Why would you think people want to see our reaction?
Because content.
Alright, let's just open it up.
Okay. Comes with a spinner and
10 flavors.
10 flavors.
Alright. So,
rock, paper, scissors to go first.
alright. Well, we looked up, it says to take the challenge, and it really didn't say very much on the website. But 10 flavors, and we're supposed to spin, and whichever ones it lands, we gotta eat it. Okay, I guess we'll leave it there. And rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. You know, you should go first because this was your idea.
Oh, yeah.
And hopefully you get the dishwasher one.
Okay. Juicy pear or booger?
That's disgusting.
Oh.
Is it the green one?
Yeah. So we all gotta eat the green one.
Hey, you know what? Before we begin, thumbnail.
Oh man.
Let's pick up one.
Okay.
Just pick up one. I guess we should do it that way. Well,
Nice
this
dropping their body.
That's-
is a dookie color.
It's canned dog
pudding
food.
or dog poo.
Stop.
Dog food.
Stop.
Dog food, sorry.
Is it?
It's
Canned dog food.
Can't. But no, I didn't spin yet, so it's all good. So, thumbnail real quick.
Okay.
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 Cool.
We're fine.
All right, go ahead, Matt.
We all gotta eat.
We
No.
all have to eat it.
Yeah,
Why? Why do
we all
no?
We all have to eat it.
We all have to eat it.
I thought it was just one.
No,
we all have to eat it.
It's green.
Straight there.
What?
It's freaking green, dude.
I don't like jelly beans. I don't. Wait, is it?
Mm.
Oh! Nice there. It looks like this.
All right, it's green. What's it called?
Booger.
Juicy pear or booger?
I'm gonna spit this out. Just watch.
3,
No, we
2.
lose the challenge if you spit it out, I presume.
3,
Right?
2, 1. Hey, you
You gotta use your hair.
Hey, that tastes disgusting. Cardboard.
No, you gotta finish it. You took it out of your mouth. You didn't even chew half of it. Come on.
I ate all of it. It tastes disgusting.
Fine.
You know why you disgusted? It's because you're thinking of the first word, booger.
Think of juicy.
It didn't taste like that. It tasted
Like fart.
Then you know what? I made it eat the wrong one because it didn't taste like that.
No, there's no other green, so
I mean, there's no other green on the board. Huh?
no.
No, I had a juicy pear then. See, there's 2 versions of each.
Yeah, you didn't.
Sorry, I am.
Stop it. Get some help.
That's why when you spin it, there's 2 of them.
Yeah.
So either you had the pear.
Juicy pear or booger.
So you had the booger.
I
I had the juicy pear.
Okay.
Here, I'll let you spin, honey. Go ahead. I'll let you go.
That doesn't mean a good thing.
I don't know. I'm just
Go ahead.
compensation. Hey, she spin it like
Again?
No, let me spin again.
No,
No, I'm spinning it
We can't
again.
do duplicates.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Berry blue or toothpaste?
That's okay.
Yeah.
That might. Alright, since I didn't shoot the first time, I'll go first.
3, 2,
Oh, he's just going.
1.
Hold up. You
I got toothpaste.
It tastes minty. That's what.
Yeah.
people say.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's minty. That's very
It's
minty.
peppermint style. You did too, huh?
Ah, yeah.
Not that bad. And toothpaste was not bad.
I feel like I just brushed my teeth. I really. That's how I feel. Here we go.
That's why I don't eat jelly beans.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food? Oh no.
Tutti Frutti or
Frutti.
stinky socks?
No.
Did you just laugh? I know. No.
What are you doing? You're abusive.
I don't know. I was trying to pick her up. See, this is Bella.
Our
So-
dog.
When we said Tutti Frutti stinky socks, she grunted. I swear she grunted. You all heard it.
Yeah.
She was grunting. Here, go ahead. You eat a jalebi.
No.
It's my baby.
All right.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch her.
Why'd you put that?
All right.
Okay.
So whatever this, it's like a white, pinkish, bluish. So you remember, don't get the dirty dishwasher one. Oh, that's this one right here.
What's this one?
Okay, so we gotta get this
It's
one.
very pink.
Oh, we didn't show the other one, but.
Oh, it's okay. The other one, we still have plenty. Like they give you a whole lot. Like it's almost like you have 10 of everything. So
Because
that
it
was
is 10 of everything.
No, because we ate 3 and that doesn't
No,
look like 7.
It said 10 flavors.
Yeah, you said 10.
That doesn't look like 7 blue ones.
2, 4, 6.
That don't look like 7 blue ones.
Maybe like a lot more than that.
No, you are not found.
Oh, well, 10 of the toothpaste, 10 of the berry blue.
Cool.
So that's why there's so many in here. Except for, I'm so glad that the chocolate one
There's only 4.
That's
and the canned dog food is only so many.
6. Oh, wait, no.
5.
5.
Hey, we got shorted.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
No, I'm not.
3, 2, 1.
Stinky socks.
I called dubs on it. You got sticky socks.
I got Tutti Frutti. I got Tutti Frutti.
That is so disgusting.
I got Tutti Frutti.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Wait a
I
second.
got Tutti Frutti. I win.
Oh, that's horrible.
Okay.
Oh, I get
They're all crybabies. It's not
Really?
that
You gagged first.
bad. Okay.
Oh, please. No dog food.
Again, yes.
No. No duplicates.
Yeah, we'll just do everything once.
Canned dog food and chocolate pudding. I'll just go first.
The darker the better, right?
That sounds so weird.
Oh, this is going to suck. Honey, you have to pick up. There's only 3 of those left.
It's very brown.
And
Of course they're brown.
oh, I'm gonna be so wrong. And I have the dog food one. The other ones are all chocolate because they're dark. No.
Would you like it?
No.
Would you like? No.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Like a kudgy.
Go.
Okay. I probably got canned dog food. It smells like canned dog food.
I got chocolate pudding.
No one asked.
Let's go. Ow. I got.
Chocolate pudding.
What'd you get?
Ooh.
Oh, we all got it. Let's go.
Oh, there's 2 left though. We should, if we land on that, we'll do that one.
Yeah.
No, because there's only 2 of us.
Both of you.
No.
So it's you, right?
It's whoever spins it gets it.
Alright.
And then they get to pick someone.
Okay, that's a good one. Yeah. Would you?
Coconut or spoiled milk?
Oh.
So if it doesn't have any color, so
Yeah.
this one has color, so that's not it. This one,
It's all white.
it's
No,
literally
but a popcorn.
popcorn. Well, I'm down for that.
Or rotten egg.
Oh, buttered popcorn.
Or rotten egg.
I think that's a buttered popcorn.
Yeah, that's a buttered popcorn.
Is it?
Wait, no. It's no color. It's just the lighting.
Oh yeah, it was lighting. Sorry, you're good. All right.
A 3, a 2.
So spoiled.
Oh.
Oh, spoiled milk. Oh, I
3,
hate
2,
spoiled.
1, go. I don't like either of these, so.
I'm not.
I got milk.
I got coconut.
Oh.
I got leche.
Oh, you got the spoiled milk? So I only got this.
It just tastes like milk.
I got coconut. That was good.
Yeah, wrong milk. See?
Toasted marshmallow or stinky bug?
I hate you.
You already picked that one though, right?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
We picked that
It didn't
one.
do coconut or spoiled milk.
She did the stinky sock. Sorry.
You did the butter popcorn?
That's fine.
She did the butter popcorn. No. She has to do it. She has to do it.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. It's all good.
I got butter
I
popcorn.
guess this is what this one is: a toasted marshmallows or a stink bug.
That does not taste like butter popcorn.
Popcorn. What if you got the other one?
Maybe it was coconut, because mine tasted like coconut. But it's like because
Mine tasted milk.
We're eating all of these back to back. Like it's hard to clear your mouth with the taste first.
Why are you smelling my breath? She licked her nose. No.
Ready?
No.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug?
She did when she smelled my
How do you know
breath.
what a stink bug is though?
Oh
It
wait.
just
Oh.
tastes like a
Like
skunk
taste-
spray.
3, 2,
Not ready.
1. She needs to rehab. She needs to rehab.
You need rehab.
You got
Toasted marshmallow is so good.
no.
I'm going after that.
That's so good.
It's so good. It
I'm
is
gonna get
good.
stink
It's so good.
It's gonna take you a minute because you still had the butter
Yeah.
popcorn in your mouth. Darn
See, it
it.
tastes good.
That's so good.
That's actually really good.
That was hard.
Not
Tutti frutti again.
No.
Butter.
No. Okay, I'm putting
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry banana
Banana.
smoothie or dead fish?
Oh.
Dead fish. You know, I'm getting this one.
No, I think you have the wrong one.
No, it's this
in
one.
pink.
No, but see how many.
No, it's pink and then this one.
Oh, which one? Which one? Was it? Dead fish. See how the
They're
barf
both
and peach.
Oh wait, no,
looks
it's this
very
one. It's not the
similar?
clear one. It's not the clear one. It's this one.
Right, it's the solid one. The clear one is the barf and peach.
You got the you wanted you did you try it?
An eternity later.
Oh, here. See, this one has color.
Wait, no. Yellow is peach.
That's the peach barf one. See, it's clear.
No, but yellow is peach.
Damn.
Bless you. Where's yellow, dude?
Oh no.
No.
Wait, no, yeah, no. Never mind,
So
never mind,
I think
never
they ran out of color, but these are shy ones. See how these all?
That is not.
That one isn't. This one is.
mind.
Okay.
Oh, I'm dying.
Hello.
All right, here, let's go do it.
3, 2, 1. Let's. What is this, strawberry? Let's go.
Contemplating his life. I told you.
Oh, it tastes like.
Mine's good.
Wait, what was the other one?
Dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie?
Hey, let's go.
Ow!
You slapped my hand.
Ow!
Oh, it's your turn. Ah, dead fish is horrible.
I can smell it. Go away, please.
Yeah, please no.
No.
Oh my gosh, that made me tear.
No. Oh.
Alright, next.
Can we get some Lysol?
Oh, that's horrible.
Oh wait, that was better.
That butter popcorn.
Which one?
Butter
That was
popcorn.
better popcorn.
This one.
Are you sure? Yeah, well, there's supposed to be yellow tint on it.
Yeah.
This
Did I
one
get the
looks
wrong one?
clear.
No.
Like it was the spoiled milk and coconut.
No,
Do
you
you
can
not
see
see the
yellow.
yellow spots?
This is one you were holding.
No, yeah,
This
no, that's
is
the
coconut.
Gotcha.
He's colorblind. Please give my dad respect. We have Patreon now.
See the difference? That's why I was like, there's yellow spots.
Okay. Butter popcorn or rotten eggs?
Maybe I should have stuck with that one. 1.
3, 2, 1.
I'm not eating it. I already had a good butter popcorn.
Haha.
Oh, I have to do it and then you'll do it.
I got butter popcorn.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, it's
Butter
good.
popcorn.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh yeah. Woo! Thank God. No, you got the rotten milk. Oh, that's rotten egg.
Oh, that's not Nick.
You did, huh?
You
No,
tasted
because
it.
right off the bat, you should already taste butter. And then it starts to get a little salty. Oh, she got the
Your
rotten
turn.
egg. Awesome.
How many have we done? We're trying to do all of them, right?
All of them, all once for everyone.
Yeah, except for the canned dog food. We haven't done that one. We haven't
We
done.
did the canned
We
dog
did- okay,
food.
we didn't do the peach yet. We didn't do the
peach
peach yet.
one. We haven't done.
No, we did. We
We
haven't.
did all. That peach is last one.
We didn't. We didn't do the birthday cake.
What happened?
We didn't do the birthday cake.
Throw up.
We didn't do the birthday cake.
How do you know which one's the birthday cake?
It's this one.
Which one's the birthday cake?
That one with the spot.
Oh, we didn't do the birthday cake, and we didn't do
The peach.
the peach and barf.
Okay, there's one over here.
I need chocolate.
No, you gotta do it until we get one of those two. That was close. Okay, we got peach.
Alright.
We got peach. We got
Peach and barf.
Peach. After this, we're all gonna eat a blue one. Okay, we're already eating blue
After
one.
this, I'm brushing my teeth.
Yeah, blue one.
This is gonna be sick. This is the new flavor.
No,
That's
yeah,
what
that
they were
is.
saying.
I'm
The
praying.
birthday
I'm
cake
praying.
or dirty dishwasher.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
1, 2, 3. She did it. Nope. What was this supposed to do?
Barf.
Mine's good. I'm fine. We could taste like the beginning. She's so relieved. Oh, are you okay? You need some water?
Get.
You need some water?
Alright, since birthday cake, no, we don't have to spin it because that's it. That's the last one.
Oh no.
So if we keep doing it and missing, we're going to be spinning all night. Oh.
We some makeup artists.
We're not James Charles, my guy.
Here we go.
Do I need to feed you?
You want to switch?
No.
Alright, cool. Doesn't matter. He switched it. I didn't.
I might get karma for that. Okay.
Please let him get karma.
3, 2.
No, she didn't. She hasn't finished.
Oh.
She
But
has
you
to
haven't finished.
I'm stuck in my poop.
Yeah, I got stuck in mine.
I'm fine.
Oh, it just tastes like yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. You might want to pick yourself there.
Hurry up, honey. Come on.
No, there's no more. There, I ate it.
Wait, no.
Ha!
Did you get it?
Okay.
No, you can't.
Oh, I need a blue one. I need.
You can't. Dang it.
Oh,
Oh, God.
that was disgusting.
Oh, it's making my stomach turn. Did you end up with dishwasher?
Mhm.
Oh, you did too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How can I get chocolate, please?
Nope.
Okay, chocolate.
Nope.
No.
Okay,
Nope.
chocolate.
No, no,
I'm gonna
no.
brush my teeth real quick.
Mm.
Oh, that was a berry.
Is berry blue good?
It's better than the dishwasher wearing the bar.
Give me one. You suck at throwing.
I do?
You almost killed him.
The berry blue is delicious.
But they're both
I'm
out.
gonna keep trying until I get it.
Yeah.
Why? No. I'm eating my little share.
I got a
Toothpaste.
toothpaste again. Like, yeah.
That
yeah.
one.
How do you know? Are you
'Cause-
psychic? Can
No,
you tell the future?
I just had a clear one of the blue.
Let the man speak.
The dotted ones, I believe, is the berry blue. Try it.
Oh,
Because there's a ton of them. They'll probably give you more because they want you to
and brush your teeth.
clean your mouth after you're done with this. Oh.
All it tastes is Rocher now.
All I can smell is Rocher.
I think I was wrong.
I got toothpaste.
I do too.
Oh, so sad. Isn't that so sad?
Wait. We have 2 more candy. We have the brown ones.
Nuh-uh. Y'all are eating that. Or you could actually eat both, actually.
Hey, help me. Help me.
Let me see.
I ain't even trying to get involved because I'll end up with one of them. Alright. Oh,
I'm done.
We're never doing this again.
being bold. Whose idea was it?
Mine.
Go try it.
No.
Family fun stuff. You want your kids to
Trick our kids. You know.
brush your teeth? That one hell of a way to do it.
Ow.
Oh.
What you think?
I'm never doing it again.
So, hate it.
I hated
Matt?
it.
Hated it.
It was kind of fun though.
That was the only part I
But-
liked.
It's cool. It's fun. But if you get the wrong bean, that barf,
Inside.
that barf is horrible.
Mm-mm.
Dishwashing,
Mm-hmm.
it's like you're eating the sponge full of soap. Ugh. Anyhow,
Wait, I only got 2 wrong.
no, let's not.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. No.
Yeah, let's not, Doug.
No,
You
I
can
got
do
2
it
wrong.
by yourself.
Here,
No.
why don't you go to your room and just handle the beans?
Yeah.
No.
It's not a waste of money then. It was your idea, so.
Exactly.
It's all his now.
A whole $10. Literally. Well, thanks guys. It was fun. We'll put up another video soon.
I'm gonna go outside and buy
As
this.
we say, like it, please.
Subscribe.
You stole my line.
And
And also comment.
We'll see you guys again. Thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Disgusting.
Oh my stomach.